Rotarians of Rotary District 3141 are always ready to help the community. In this pandemic, where physical meetings have been restricted, the dental care has been neglected. We are bringing out 3 educational videos to help you in preventive dental care. Please follow the instructions of the doctors from the MGM Dental College to have good dental health.
Namaste. We at the MGM Dental College and Hospital have been working in close association with the Rotary District 3141 for the past few years to help the community. As the COVID pandemic is ongoing and is preventing physical interaction, our interns and doctors have prepared these educational videos which will help you in taking care of your teeth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mariam from MGM Dental College, Navi Mumbai. Do you know that there are germs inside your mouth that you need to clean every day? Or you're going to get bad breath, cavities and tooth pain? What I'm going to show you today is called as Folds technique or circular motion technique. What you're going to need for that is a soft bristle toothbrush, a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the bristles. Imagine these are your teeth. These are your teeth and these are your gums. Take the brush at 90-degree angles with your upper and lower teeth closed and go in circular motions over your teeth. Circular motions. Then open your teeth like how I am opening the model and target the inner surface of your teeth in circular motion. For your front teeth, go from the gums to the biting surface. From the gums to the biting surface. Do not forget your biting surface. You need to do this twice a day for 2 minutes each and then gargle with water. Thank you.
Hello my lovely friends. How are you all? My name is Akanksha. I am from MGM Dental College and Hospital, and today I'll be talking to you all about nutrition and oral health. Nutrition. What is nutrition? The food that you eat and its utilization by your body for keeping you healthy and helping you grow and become strong is nutrition. So you all must be thinking, how is your nutrition related to your teeth being strong and healthy? We all love to eat delicious food, right? But what if your teeth pain while you eat? Or what if your teeth fall off too early? No, we won't want that, right? So it's very important that you take care of your teeth from now itself. And for that, you need to eat healthy food. Just like how a sapling needs water, sunlight and vital nutrients to flourish, so do we need a balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy. What is a balanced diet? When you have food that is giving your body all the nutrients that it needs to keep yourself healthy and strong, you are having a balanced diet. What are the nutrients that you must eat and where do we get these nutrients from? These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and we get these nutrients from vegetables, fruits, cereals, milk, meat, eggs, etc. Your diet should have 40% of carbohydrates, 30% of proteins, 10% of fats, 15% of vitamins and 5% of minerals. When you don't have all these nutrients in the right quantities, not only does your body become weak, but so do your teeth. You may get those dirty brown black cavities in your teeth, or your gums may swell or bleed, and this is very, very painful. Also, your breath may smell foul, and you may feel embarrassing when you're with your friends or family. Also, if your teeth keep paining, then you won't eat properly, and this will make you even more weak. So, some small changes in your diet today can give you long-lasting, healthy and strong teeth. What are these changes? Let's see. Firstly, try to avoid and cut down on junk food. Noodles, chips, cookies, pastries, tasty, aren't they? Yes, certainly. You can eat them sometimes, but try not to eat them too much. Do not eat or drink foods with a lot of sugar, and if you do so, ensure that you gargle your mouth thoroughly after eating or drinking so that those small sticky particles that are stuck on your tooth and which are bringing more bacteria to your mouth, they are washed away. You must be also thinking exactly how much of these foods we must eat. Here is your answer. The pyramid that you see here is the food guide pyramid. It has a division of what to eat and how much to eat so that you have all your nutrients in just the right quantities. Children, we have realized that along with brushing your teeth and keeping them clean, it is also important to eat healthy food. Promise me that you all will eat healthy food and also encourage your friends to do so. Remember, you are what you eat. So, you must always eat healthy food so that you have healthy teeth, gums, and a healthy body. Thank you.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Doctor, I have doubts regarding my child's health. Can I ask?
Yes, please.
Doctor, why does my child's teeth appear yellow?
Naturally, the color of the child's teeth are white. Yellow appearance in a child's teeth can be due to improper brushing habit, or it can be due to the food stuck between the teeth.
Doctor, my child keeps sucking his thumb. Is it normal?
Thumb sucking habit is considered normal for the child up to age of 2 years of the child age. Thereafter, if the child still continue this habit, then it is abnormal, and this habit in future will lead to the developmental defect.
Doctor, I have heard that after falling off milk teeth, the second teeth erupts abnormally. Is it true?
This does not happen usually, but sometimes the teeth erupted abnormal location. So in that case, visit your nearby dentist for proper guidance.
My child's teeth are not appearing straight. Why so?
This usually happens when the milk teeth are falling and the new teeth are erupting. This is completely normal, and over a period of time, this teeth gets aligned in the arch.
Doctor, milk is good for health, but I've seen my friend's child teeth getting decay at an early age. Why is it so?
Milk is absolutely good for health, but sometimes the child sleeps during the feed and the milk stays in the child mouth for a longer period of time, and this leads to the development of cavities. But definitely, milk is good as it contains calcium.
My son has habit of eating lots of chocolate. Does it affect the teeth?
Yes, absolutely. Chocolates do cause cavities, but if they are eaten in excess, chocolates get stuck on a child's tooth for a longer period of time, and if we do not clean it, they cause cavities.
Okay. How many times should we brush our child's teeth?
Ideally, we should make our child brush twice in a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. It is equally important to make sure your child gargle after every meal.
Doctor, how can we prevent our child's teeth from getting decay?
For prevention, we should understand the cause. We should make sure the child brush twice in a day. Avoid giving them sugar sticky chocolates. Give them fluoride-rich diets. Visit your dentist for a regular checkup. And if possible, go for a fluoride application program, which will eventually protect your child's teeth from getting cavities.
Doctor, I've seen some advertisements on TV that toothpaste contains salt. Is it true? And what all things need to be checked before buying toothpaste?
More than salt, we should focus on fluoride. Fluoride is like Superman to fight for evil cavities. So, any toothpaste that contains fluoride can be used to brush your child's teeth.
How can we maintain our child's oral health?
As we know, prevention is better than curing it. So, we should make our child brush twice in a day, and we as a parent should participate with them too.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. I hope Ethi has cleared all her doubts, and so you all. Thank you.
On behalf of all the Rotary Clubs of District 3141, we would like to thank Principal and all the teachers of the school who have facilitated these videos to reach you. We hope these videos will help you in taking care of your teeth by proper brushing technique, good food habits, and answer your questions related to dental health. If you like these videos, press the like button and write in the comment section your views. Thank you.